I'm getting cold right now. Mm. I know I'm long. I know I'm not good with telling stories. I don't go straight to the point. But it's getting cold in Paris. Vous n'avez pas froid, vous? Pourtant, ça y est, on est en printemps, mais il fait froid comme en hiver. J'ai perdu le fil là, ça y est. J'en étais où? Est-ce que quelqu'un peut me dire où j'en étais? Je prends les photos du concert à l'Olympia. Ah oui, c'est ça. C'était la première fois que je voyais autant de fans de filles et pas que de filles d'ailleurs, plein de gens heureux, excités, mais dans le bon sens quoi. Pour un concert, pour une personne, je me disais mais c'est incroyable ce qui se passe. And I felt quite grateful when I photographed the concert at the Olympia to feel a little bit, the kind of atmosphere we could probably feel in the 60s in France, but maybe for other artists, like for the Beatles or for Johnny Hallyday in France. For me, I was like in a kind of situation where people would be or Claude François, Clo-Clo in France, this very popular singer. So I was like, oh, that's interesting. Like, people are really, really excited. I mean, more than because I was taking pictures of Seal, of Lenny Kravitz, but the audience, the crowd was different, and it was the first time I was seeing like a very, very young audience, and I've never felt so much like passion, energy, emotion, joy, and it was like, woo! What is this kind of emotional volcano right now, and for a concert for a person? So, yeah, I was a little bit obsessed with the crowd more than Harry on stage. Of course, he was having like a nice outfit, a nice costume, and it's important, of course, to have like nice live pictures of the singer. But yeah, I think I took many pictures of the crowd, faces, and expression, like facial expression, tears, smiles. I was like, wow, that's really nice. And usually, when I'm sending the pictures to the magazine for the website, I'm sending lots of pictures of the singer, of the band, and sometimes some of the crowd. But this time, I think I sent as much pictures of the crowd than the artist, than Harry. But before that, that's the thing. Before that, I had to get the picture approved. So you have to know that the pictures are approved by the Ma maman est en train de m'appeler. Mom, she's trying to call me on Facebook. Can someone tell my mom on Facebook that I'm going to call her after? I was in the middle of the story. Coucou, on s'appelle avant 20h. Bon, attends, je réponds à ma mère. Bon, désolé, I had to tell my mom that I'm calling her after. Because every day we have a ritual with my mom and dad. We call on Facebook Messenger. They have like a small webcam on the computer. They don't have iPhone, they don't have iPads, they don't have like everything. So my mom is just trying to schedule our meeting tonight. So okay, I'm going to the point. So Harry and the management had to approve the picture for the website of Paris Match magazine. And the day after, I was surprised to see that he kind of approved many pictures, not just like 1 or 2 or 3. Sometimes some artists are like approving just few pictures, but they basically liked a lot. So the day after, the article was on the internet, and I received a mail from the PR. Donc j'ai reçu un mail de l'attaché de presse en Angleterre qui me demande si je serais OK pour venir faire des photos pour le concert de Londres qui avait lieu genre 1 ou 2 jours après. So I received a mail from the PR asking if I was interested in going to London 1 or 2 days after to make pictures of the show in London. And she mentioned that they liked the picture. So I was surprised because you have so many good and talented photographers in England, in London. So why would they ask me to come to London to take pictures? So, okay, why not? And 2 days after, I was in London, and I didn't know exactly. They weren't quite. They didn't say go on tour. They just asked me to come to London to take a few pictures for the press. And it was not very formal. I don't know, je sais pas trop comment on peut dire, mais c'était pas très formel. On m'a pas dit tu vas faire des photos, ça sera pour ça et machin. C'est, yeah, come to London. So I was like, okay. And when I arrived in London, I think it was at the O2, but kind of the small O2, like the theater one. I'm not sure which one, how to explain. But when I arrived, the tour manager, he was so kind and so funny because he got like a strong English accent, and my English. I'm not saying that it's bad, but it's difficult for me to understand English speaking people with like a strong accent. Oh yes, the Apollo, Hammersmith Apollo. I'm saying that now. Thank you. So it was very funny because the tour manager said, "Hey Helen, welcome. So you can feel free to go around. You have a pass. You can visit the theater, the venue, but you know, they were not like, I don't know. I was very I was very welcome. But I was alone, and I was like, what I'm doing now? And there was no rehearsal, so I was basically waiting for the concert time in London, and then the tour manager said, "Oh, Helen, can you meet me at the production office because Harry wants to meet you." So I was surprised because I would not expect that he wanted to kind of meet me. And so I went to the production office, and Harry and Jeffrey arrived, and I think I will always remember this moment. It was so cute. Like, they arrived like this, quite chill, and they say, "Hi, how are you?" And and it's so unusual because in France, we check hands, or maybe on fait la bise, and he hugged me like this and he said, "Thank you so much for the pictures." And I was like, "You're welcome." And I was like, "Why are you saying thank you?" He said, "Oh, I really like the pictures, especially the one with the moms and the crowd." And I was like, "Oh yes, you're welcome, because that's what I like." And I understood that he was very happy about the fact that I was focused on you, the fans and the crowd and the people at the concert, more than himself. And yes, I think that's maybe why he decided to maybe collaborate with me. Maybe because I had another vision of this. I don't know. Honestly, we never really talked about how and everything. They are very simple, They are like, "We like your work, so let's work together." So I'm like, okay. But I mean,